Quiz 1, multiple choice. Choose the best answer. Number 1, if you feel overwhelmed, you are A. Excited, B. Carrying too much stress, C. Hungry, D. Sleepy. Answer is letter B. Carrying too much stress. Number 2, which word means panatag o kalmado? A. Anxious, B. Stressed, C. Calm, D. Lonely. Answer is letter C. Calm. Number 3, which sentence is correct? A. I feel calm after meditation, B. I calm feel after meditation, C. Calm I feel after meditation, D. I after meditation calm. Answer is letter A. I feel calm after meditation. Number 4, someone who is anxious usually feels A. Worried, B. Joyful, C. Energetic, D. Proud. Answer is letter A. Worried. Number 5, emotional support means A. Helping someone emotionally, B. Buying gifts, C. Cleaning the house, D. Traveling together. Answer is letter A. Helping someone emotionally. Quiz 2, match the words. Match the English word with its Tagalog meaning. English, Tagalog. Answer A. Calm, it's number 2, kalmado. B. Overwhelmed, it's number 1, nabibigatan. Letter C. Relieved, it's number 4, gumaan ang pakiramdam. D. Anxious, it's number 3, nag-aalala. E. Support is number 5, suporta. Quiz 3, fill in the blank. Choose the correct word. Word bank: calm, overwhelmed, anxious, support, relieved. Answer number 1. I felt relieved after talking to my teacher. Number 2. My parents always give me emotional support. Number 3. She feels anxious before giving a speech. Number 4. I am overwhelmed because I have too much work. Number 5. Listening to music helps me stay calm. Quiz 4, sentence arrangement. Arrange the words into a correct sentence. Number 1. Answer: I am feeling anxious today. Number 2. Answer: deep breathing helps me stay calm. Number 3. Answer: my friends give me emotional support.